Hello everyone. In the few short months since it was announced in November 2022, ChatGPT has grown at a faster rate than nearly any past technology. If we look at how many months it took technologies to reach 100 million users, we see that Netflix took 10 years. Gmail reached that milestone in only 5 years. Facebook did it in only 4.5 years, while WhatsApp reached 100 million users in 3.5 years. Instagram raced to 100 million in 2.5 years, and TikTok hit that mark in 9 months. ChatGPT hit 100 million users in only 2 months. That is an unprecedented amount of growth. In August 2022, Gartner released its latest hype cycle for emerging tech. The technology behind ChatGPT is basically not represented at all. Side note, machine learning code generation and generative design AI are represented and related to large language models that power AI like ChatGPT. But certainly we would have to put it at the peak of inflated expectations, hurtling towards the trough of disillusionment. So is ChatGPT dead? In essence, I believe so. As the New Yorker recently wrote, ChatGPT is a blurry JPEG of the web. As scrutiny mounts on ChatGPT, the adage garbage in, garbage out is a bridge too far for the virtual neuron to fire across, at least today. Not only will the accuracy and trust to ChatGPT always be suspect, its model of eliminating the source websites is akin to eating its own. I predict a fast decline as users and companies move on to the next generation of AI fueled by similar large language models. Whether that generation will fizzle out or replace us all remains to be seen. There are 2 areas I find alarming that most people are not talking about in their fixation of ChatGPT. The first is the staggering adoption curve of ChatGPT. Certainly can be called viral, and the events of the past few years should be a cautionary tale of the effect of rapid viral spread. The human brain simply does not evolve at these speeds. The second is the unimaginable power needs that just ChatGPT alone needs for its computing element portion. Subsequent versions will need more, and the race to the advertising dollar has literally increased this need exponentially across the planet. Alarming when you think about it. Please note that I wrote this episode without the help of ChatGPT or any other AI. It seemed like the logical thing to do. My name is Paul, and I created Umerit to help people and companies one conversation at a time. A sub to my channel would be human, just saying. Until next time, remember to stay curious.